guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some box braids for myself. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to be doing knotless or traditional, but this is the packs of hair that I'm going to use. So this is the Xpression Collection Ultra Braid. It's pre-stretched, it's hot water safe, super light, tangle free, brushable, and it's 46 inches. You get 2 bundles in the pack. This is what it looks like. So it starts off dark and then it gets down to a pink color. So I'm excited to try that. I was actually going to put this all over my head, but I got shook, so now I'm not going to do that. And the color on this says OM/Plum Blossom. So what I'm going to do is put the pink at the back and the black on top. This is the 100% Spectra fiber. It has 4 bundles inside. It's by a brand called Serenity, and it's 99% antibacterial fiber. So this one you can dip in hot water. It's safe for that. It's a quick dry, ultra light, itch free, tangle free, and pre-stretched. And the company actually says that a part of the profit goes to the undernourished children in Africa, so I do respect them for that. It's designed in the USA but made in China, and this is just a 1B color. And something else I'm excited to try, which is new to me, probably old to you, is this Eco Styler Black Costa and Flaxseed Oil Conditioning, Styling and Shining Gel, and it's meant to give you a 48-hour hold. This is what the tub looks like. It actually smells quite nice and it's quite firm. It doesn't move about. Yeah, it says 48-hour hold. What else? It contains vitamin E, fiber and omega-3, and it's 11 fluid ounces. And I bought that online at packs for about, I think, $6.99 or $5.99, something like that. But I'll put all the details down below if you are interested to purchase it. Alright, let's get started with my... I ended up using 1 whole bundle of the pink hair and 3 whole bundles of the black hair.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always be problems, is true. So I learn it. So this is how far I have reached with my braids. And I've done these ones a little bit thicker than usual. This is what the pink and black looks like mixed together. The pink is at the bottom, black's on top. And halfway through my hair I decided to combine these two together, the Eco Styler and the Blue Magic. And the reason for that is because I saw a hairdresser doing this. She's actually a professional braider, and it works. Like, this softens the hair and makes it so that your hair or the braiding hair doesn't you know, the friction doesn't hurt your fingers, because sometimes when you're braiding there's friction on your fingers and then it hurts at the end, and this keeps the hair nice and sleek and neat and ready to braid. So the two combined worked really well together, and I think I'm going to continue doing that when I'm braiding. And for that braider, I'll leave her video link down below. So now this is my last row, and I'm just gonna get started with that and show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I did re-moisturize my hair today because this was a 2-day process, and I'm a slow braider, so that's why it's a 2-day process. Plus I had to stop and go out at one point. doing your braids early in the morning, this whole process could take you anywhere from 4 to maybe 6 hours and you'd be done, especially if you had somebody helping you. So it doesn't have to be a 2-day process. And in this clip, I'm just showing you how I apply the gel/blue magic and how I add in my braids. And also I use that Denman brush. It's a 3-teeth Denman brush. I'll try and find the correct code and link it down below. But it's a really good brush for detangling. I absolutely love it for pre-pooing and detangling my hair for styles such as this one.
To be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Man, I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. To be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Man, I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah. Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, crazy, but I'm wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. To be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
So this is a roller set kit that I found on Amazon, and I'll leave that link down below. It's basically a bunch of different rollers or cold rod sets, I think that's what they're called, and then you know use them according to what size you want. For me, I'm putting about 3 to 5 braids on one roller, and then I'm going to dip it in hot water. These are fragile, they break easily, and it can easily snap back and hurt your fingers, so be careful, because that's what happened to me when I was roller setting my hair. So these are my end results, guys. I'll turn around so you can get a good look. And I just let the rollers sit in my hair until it was completely dry. It's a fun way to play with color. It's still quite mature, so you won't look like a little girl, especially if you have a professional job to go to. It's still quite professional. And I think that the curls really brought the colors together well. Yeah, so this is what my parting area looks like. I did not put any gel on my edges, I just twisted them. I like to do that to protect my edges. I say it all the time in my videos. This whole process took about 2 days, can't remember how long exactly because I started and I stopped. And yeah, it's really cute, it's really fun, I like it. I decided to go with this cute headband this time around, so that's one way to style up your braids and make it look nice. Yeah, there's not much more to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. hard to be good, but being good always bring problems, it's true.